Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this mirror Pyraminx Rubik's cube. So very simple and very easy Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube same like this simple color Pyraminx Rubik's cube. So in this Pyraminx we have specific color in every side, so we can find our edges and our center and corner piece easily. But in this cube we have no any color. In every side we have mirror. So in this cube we will find our these edges, corner, center by matching like that. I mean we will match our pieces by their size. For example, this is our simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So we can solve this cube very easily because in this cube we have specific color. And similar, this is 3 by 3 mirror Rubik's cube, and they are both same. But in this cube we have in every side mirror, so we can find our piece by matching their size. So as they are both similar, they are both same. So this is already scrambled. Now I will scramble this mirror Pyraminx and then I will solve this mirror Pyraminx Rubik's cube. Okay, so I have scrambled this cube. So we can see when we scramble this cube, so it can change its shape some little bit. I mean we can see all piece different to each other. Okay, so we will solve its first step same like this Pyraminx. For example, in this Pyraminx, our first step, we can select any one corner and then we will find three same size colors. Same step we will apply in this mirror Pyraminx, but in this Pyraminx we can see we have no any color. So we will find our these corner by matching their size. For example, if I can select this corner, okay, so now we can see I have select this corner. So my first step, I will match this corner with this corner. I mean if I check from this side, so we can see they are not matching properly. So one time we will rotate this corner. Okay, so now if we check these two corner and we check this from this top side, so they are both smooth. It's mean we have matched these two, because in this cube we have no any specific color, so we will match by their size. If I check like that, so we can see they are both smooth. Now we will match third corner. If I check this corner, so we can see these two corner are not matching. Same from this side, we can see these are not matching. So if I rotate like that, and again we can see this is not matching properly. Once again we will rotate. Okay, so now we can see this is also matched. So we have matched these three corner. I mean they are smooth to each other. It's mean we have solved our this first step. And now in this simple Pyraminx, our second step, we match these piece like that, and then we solve this first layer. So in this cube we can solve our first layer very easily because we have color in this cube. So we can match our edges very easily because we have color in this cube. This is also done. And in this side we need yellow pink, so this is yellow pink, and we can see our first layer we have solved. Okay, so now in this cube we can see we have matched these three corner. Now we will match our these big size piece, so these are our edges. But in this cube we need to find our pieces because we have no any color. So how we can find? We will check one by one. I mean, we will check this edge piece from right side and from left side, and then we will check this, then we will check this. So we will check our piece one by one. For example, if I check this piece from these two corner, so first I will check from this right side. Okay, so I have checked this piece from right side, so we can see this is not matching properly. We will leave it. Same piece we will check from this left side. And now in this time we can see I check this edge piece from left side, so our piece is matching properly. We can see this is matching from this side, matching from, it's mean our this edge piece we will fix in this position. So we check this piece and we can see this is matching from right side. So what we will do is we will again bring it up and we will stay this piece in this right corner because this is matching from right side. So we will stay this piece in this position, then we will bring this left side up, match with this and bring it down, and we can see one edge piece we have fixed properly. Similar, we will find these two edges. We are solving this first layer, so we can select this and we will check these three edges, I mean in this top layer, same like this top layer. So we will check these three edges. First we will check this edge piece from left side, this is not matching, and same this edge piece we will check from this right side, this is also not matching, so we will leave it. And now we will check this piece. So first we will check from this left side, this is not matching, leave it. Now we will check from this side and we can see this is not matching, so we will again leave it and we will check this third piece. So this is not matching, we will check from this side, this is also not matching. So now we will leave these two corner and we will check from this side because we also need our edge piece in this side. So same technique we will apply from this side and we will check these three edges. So we will check from this right side, this is not matching, and we will check from this side. Okay, so in this time we can see our edge piece is matching properly. It's mean this edge piece we need to fix in this side. So we can see our piece is matching from right side. So what we will do, we will bring this piece up and we will stay this piece in this right side because this is matching from right side. We will stay this piece in this side, then left side we will bring it up, match with this and bring it down, and we can see our second edge piece we have fixed properly. This is done, this is also done. Now we have left with this third edge piece and our first layer will be solved. So again we will check these three edge piece one by one. Check from left side, check from right side, this is not matching, we will ignore this piece and we will check this piece. So not matching from left side, we will check from this right side, this is also not matching. Now we check this third piece and this time we can see we have matched our piece from left side. In previous two cases we have matched our piece from right side and in this time we have matched our piece from left side. So what we will do, we will bring this piece up and stay this piece in this left side, and then we will bring this right side up match from this side and bring it down, and we can see we have solved our this first layer. Our corners are matching, our these edge piece are matching. So this is our last step. We will solve our centers in our last step. So this step we have complete. Okay, so now in this simple Pyraminx Rubik's cube, when we solve this first layer, so our next step we solve our these three edges. For example, if I match these three edge piece on its proper position, so we can see this is rotated but this is matching on its position properly. This is also rotated and this is fixed. This is our first case. When we find this kind of case, so what we will do in simple Pyraminx, we will place this piece in this back side and apply simple algorithm: right down, right up, left up, then rotate cube in this right side and apply right up, u inverse, right down, and then u and go back. So our these edges we can fix properly. Same technique and same step we will apply in this cube. So this first layer we have solved. Now we will solve our these three edges. So in this case we can see this edge piece is not matching properly. This is also not matching properly, but this is matching properly. We can see this is smooth from this side. We will not check from this top side because we are matching from this down side. So same technique we will apply, same like this cube. So this is matching properly. We will place this piece in this back side and apply same algorithm: right down, right up, left up, rotate in this right side, right up, u invert, right down, u, again rotate in this side. So we can see our this edge piece is fixed, this is fixed, this is also fixed. So we have solved these three edges. And now our last step in this cube, we solve this portion. For example, we will match these piece like that: blue match with blue, green match with green, yellow match with yellow. So we will also match this top corner. Now we will check our edges. So we can see this is green blue. We need green blue in this side. Blue yellow we need in this side. Yellow green we need in this side. So this is clockwise circle. In simple Pyraminx, when we need our edges, we need to rotate clockwise. So we can apply algorithm R, UI, RI, UI, R, UI, RI. Our cube is done. Now we will apply same technique in this cube. First we will solve this top corner. So we will match with these corner. I mean, we can see this is not smooth. This is not matching properly. So if I rotate like that, so again we can see this is not matching. So we will rotate again like that. And now we can see our this top corner is matching from every side. And now we have disturbed our these edges. So we will match this top corner and then we will check our edges. So we can see, so okay, in this case our edge we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So that was our original position. We have matched our corner. So we can see this big size edge piece we need in this position. This edge piece we need in this side. I mean, we need to rotate these three edge piece anti-clockwise. So when we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so we will use second algorithm. So our anti-clockwise algorithm is R U R I U R U R I. And now we can see we have solved this top corner, these edges, and now we have left only with these centers. So in this cube we have center, so we need to solve center, but in this cube we can solve our centers easily. Okay, so now we have left our last step. When we left with this last step, so we will check our centers. For example, if I check from this position, so I can understand easily this centerpiece we need in this side, and this small center we can fix in this side. Similar, we have same case in this position. This centerpiece we need in this side and this center we need in this side. So we can select any two center that we can replace to each other. We can select these two. We can also select these two. So any one we can select, and then we will hold cube like that. And we will apply our algorithm down, down, up, up 3 times. And our cube will be solved. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and now third time we will apply same algorithm, down, down, up, up, and now we can see our mirror Pyraminx Rubik's cube we have solved. So now I will show second example that we need to rotate our piece clockwise. Okay, so this is another example. So we have solved these three, this down layer, we have solved this down layer, and we have matched our these three edges, and now we match this top corner. And now when we match this top corner, so we can see our edges we need to rotate clockwise. So in previous case we need to rotate anti-clockwise, but in this case we need to rotate clockwise. So when we need to rotate our edges clockwise, so we will use second algorithm. So our clockwise algorithm is R U I R I U I R U I R I. So our corner is fixed, edges are fixed. Now we have left with these center. So this is very simple step. We can select any two center and we can replace to each other by using down, down, up, up 3 times, and our mirror cube will be solved. Okay, so this is done. So this is very simple and very easy Rubik's cube, and same like this simple Pyraminx. Okay, so I have only one request to everyone, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.